Hey y'all, it's Cherie here with Sunshine and Pixie Dust. I just wanted to say hello and welcome to our page. This is our studio behind me, and just want to tell you a little bit about our business. We have a brick and mortar studio in Wetumpka, Alabama, but we want to reach everyone with art everywhere we can. It's about enjoying yourself, finding your special joy, finding your special happiness in the littlest of places. So that's what we hope our name, Sunshine and Pixie Dust, helps you see, that you can find sunshine and pixie dust and joy and happiness in everything you do. We like to do it through art. You can discover the artist in you with Sunshine and Pixie Dust. It doesn't take any expertise. If you have some, we can help expand upon it. It's just about finding an outlet, whether that be canvas art, painting on wood, whether that be refinishing furniture, whether that's creating wreaths or bows. We want to reach out to you in so many different ways. With ceramics, just painting anything to help bring some happiness into your world. Because the colors are that. They are happiness, and they're plants that can grow. If you watch some of my other videos and you learn about us, you'll see I don't have a green thumb, but look at these beautiful plants and colorful colors and just everything that you can imagine you can paint in. And we're here to help you do it from a beginner level. Our kits are very instructional. It's a traced canvas with instructions with everything you need. Same with our classes in the studio. Sometimes we even do virtual events, so you can reach us, and we want to reach to you anywhere. So check us out. Follow all of our social media. Check out our website, www.sunshineandpixiedust.com. We hope to see you again in the future. Have a great day. Bye, y'all.